Want your videos to look cinematic with richer colors and contrast? Let me show you how to enable or disable HDR video recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Camera app, then tap the quick control icon, tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap advanced video option. First, you have to make sure that the video format is set to HEVC so you can enable or disable HDR option. You just need to toggle the switch next to it on or off. Now, here's the key part. When HDR is enabled, you will see an HDR icon at the top right in video or pro video mode. Before you start recording, you can tap the icon to decide whether to record with HDR or not. If you disable HDR in this menu, the icon will disappear from video and pro video mode. So when should you use HDR? It's perfect for outdoor shot, sunset, or any high contrast scene where you want vivid details in both highlight and shadows. If you need maximum compatibility or smaller files, you might want to keep HDR off. And that's it. With HDR, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra helps you record videos that look cinematic and professional. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.